In this video, I'm going to show you Messenger video call camera settings. If you're having any issues with your camera while on a video call on Messenger, then in this video, let me show you a couple of things that you can do to fix this issue. But if you're trying to manage the video quality of the video call during a video call on Messenger, you cannot manage that. The video quality will depend upon your phone's camera and your internet connection. So if you have a stable internet connection and if your phone's camera is decent, then you should have a clear picture on a video call. But if you don't have a clear picture, even though you have a decent internet speed and a decent phone, then I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do. Now mainly this happens due to a bug. When you try to video call, the camera becomes blurred. So firstly, in this case, what you can do is update your Messenger app. Search for Play Store and search for Messenger and tap on update if there are any new updates available. Updating applications helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be the cause of the issue. Once you update your app, the second thing that you can also do if the problem is still not fixed is you can uninstall your Messenger app from your phone. Uninstall the app and again download the application and then log into your account. This is a good way of clearing out glitches that is happening on your phone. So once you do these couple of steps, any problem that you're facing or any glitches that you're facing on your Messenger account or your Messenger app will be fixed. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.